everyone, my name's August and welcome to our very first vlog. And by our vlog, I mean I'm referring to my twin sister back there. So, this is my twin sister. Her name's Ronnie.
I do not want to be here at all.
She's such a negative Nancy.
Yeah, okay.
But today we're just going to be decorating our Christmas tree. I think it's super beautiful. We'll be using these ornaments and these lights, and I think it'll turn out really great, and I just love it. Oh my god, Ronnie, you don't have to be so rude! Sorry about that, we had a few technical difficulties. But
You hit me in the head with an acoustic guitar that I didn't even know we owned.
I will be more than happy to do it again if you don't shut up. So the first thing we're going to be doing to the tree is hang up ornament. These don't have hooks on them. Ronnie!
Thanks.
My darling of a sister is hanging up the lights for us.
I'm not putting up the star.
Neither am I.
Evan!
Well, that's our tree.
Hey, Ronnie. What?